Hi friends, welcome to Vacation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about how to apply some of the styles by using the JavaScript. So first of all, here let me take a div tag, okay, and under that I'm going to place some of the text in it, and the text is of anything, and under this div tag I am going to apply some of the styles into it. So here let me first give the IDH test div, and here I am just going to apply some of the styles into it. So document dot get element by ID. So after that, let me pass here that ID of the div, which is nothing but about a test div. Then dot style. Then here you can see there are like so many styles are present. So here you can see, let's say I am going to apply the font size. Okay, so font size equal to like how many pixels? Let's say 30 pixels. Okay, so here you can see I applied 30 pixels into my div tag. Okay, so let's say if I reload the page, then here you can see like what is the font size of that particular text. So which is nothing but about 30 pixels. And also here also you can see the same thing. So now let's change this one to like 5 pixels. So now if I reload the page, then you can see like the font size of that particular hello world text is 5 pixel. On here usually you cannot see in the UI, but in the inspect element you can actually see it. So let's say if I change the font size to 50 pixel, so now you can see a very big text. Okay, so this is one of the example I showed you. So like there are several CSS styles are present, like font family. So and also like margin, margin left, margin right. So there are like so many things are present. So which is already present under that CSS styles under that JavaScript. So also here you can see this overflow X, overflow Y, padding left, padding bottom, padding right, padding top, margin left, margin right. So everything. So like whatever you want, basically you can use those things. So this is all about our video, like how to apply the styles by using the JavaScript. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.